So my family brought the car here and my other car, a Toyota here, for daily or for maintenance, yearly maintenance, and for also any issues that would come up. And they always had good things to say, and the reviews always have good things to say. So I thought for my first time bringing it to a mechanic, I should bring it to a reliable place, and I brought it here. I like the look of this place. This place looks very professional. The inside of the garage is very big, and the sign for the Japanese auto repair is very obvious, so it was easy to find. And it's really nice to be able to pick up the car on the same day. So if that all goes to plan, then I'll be very happy.